Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to delete a WordPress website from Hostinger. This is the website I want to delete. It's called benstestinghosting.com. I have WordPress on it. To delete this WordPress website, just go to websites from the top of your WordPress account. Then go to dashboard next to the website you want to delete. Now from the left side menu, click on website, then auto installer. As you can see, this is the website I want to delete. Next to it, click on these little dots, three dots, and hit delete. Make sure to delete all the files and database and click delete. And as you can see, my WordPress website is deleted from Hostinger. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.